This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Hello, today we are talking to Brian. He is with O'Brien Service Company, Wilmington's local heating and air specialist since 1981. Hi, Brian.
Hi, Megan.
Today we're going to talk about an important topic, and that's indoor air quality.
Yes, indoor air quality is a topic that comes up often with our customers, mainly because we spend about 70% of our time inside our homes. Many people are sensitive to mold and dust particles, which are difficult to remove from the air that we breathe. A lot of us also suffer from allergies and asthma, and the air inside is actually 3 to 5 times more contaminated than the air outside.
Wow. So how do we improve the air quality inside our homes?
Well, we're always looking for ways to clean the air, and we have several options available, which are the iWave, and that is an ionizer. Basically what that does is it takes particles that are floating in the air, bonds them together to make them larger, and they get stuck in the air filter. And we have a UV light, which helps reduce bacteria and allergens in our heating and air system. And then my personal favorite, which is the Remy Halo, which is an ionizer, and it has a UV light, which is LED, like the other ones, but it also creates low-level hydrogen peroxide, which is designed to eliminate pollutants inside the air.
And if people have questions, they can give you a call, right?
Yes, give us a call and we'll be happy to build a custom indoor air quality solution for your home or your business.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.